Ukraine bolstered its air surveillance and defense network this week with the arrival of Swedish ASC-890 radar planes, a landmark step that significantly enhances the country's ability to detect and respond to Russian aerial threats. The ASC-890, developed by Sweden's SAAB, is an airborne early warning and control (AEW&C) aircraft that provides wide-area radar coverage and advanced command and control capabilities. Built on the SAAB 340 twin-turboprop platform and equipped with the Erieye radar system, the aircraft can track hostile aircraft, missiles, and drones at long ranges, offering Ukrainian forces a real-time picture of the battle space. For Kyiv, which has been struggling to counter relentless Russian drone and missile barrages, the addition of this cutting-edge technology marks a crucial shift in its ability to safeguard cities, infrastructure, and frontline positions. The transfer of the ASC-890s also symbolizes the growing depth of Sweden's support for Ukraine's defense. Stockholm, having recently joined NATO, has taken a more assertive role in strengthening European security, with Ukraine's survival seen as directly linked to regional stability. By delivering these aircraft, Sweden is providing not just hardware but also strategic reassurance that Kyiv is not alone in facing Moscow's aggression. Defense officials in both countries have underscored that the ASC-890 will serve as a force multiplier, enabling Ukraine to integrate surveillance data more effectively, coordinate air defense units, and strengthen interoperability with NATO-aligned systems. This move could dramatically increase Ukraine's reaction time to incoming strikes, helping minimize casualties and infrastructure damage from Russia's ongoing campaign of air assaults. In addition to the delivery of the aircraft, Ukraine and Sweden announced an ambitious push toward joint defense production. This initiative reflects a long-term strategy to build resilience into Ukraine's defense sector by co-developing critical systems, including munitions, armored vehicles, and air defense technologies. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky praised the agreement as a breakthrough in ensuring the country's independence from unreliable international supply chains, noting that joint production with Sweden would accelerate the adaptation of Western technologies to the realities of Ukraine's battlefield. For Stockholm, this cooperation underscores its intent to contribute not just immediate military aid, but also a framework for Ukraine's long-term defense sustainability and integration into Europe's broader security architecture. Analysts highlight that the ASC-890 fills a crucial gap in Ukraine's defensive posture. Ground-based radars, while effective, can be vulnerable to Russian strikes and are often limited by terrain and line-of-sight restrictions. By contrast, airborne radar platforms can patrol vast areas, providing early warning of low-flying cruise missiles and hard-to-detect aerial threats. With the ASC-890's Erieye radar capable of monitoring hundreds of targets simultaneously across hundreds of kilometers, Ukraine gains a technological edge that could alter the dynamics of its air defense campaign. The aircraft will also enhance Ukraine's ability to manage complex, multi-layered defense operations, ensuring that ground-based systems such as Patriots, IRIS-T and NASAMS can be cued with greater precision and efficiency. As Ukraine braces for continued missile and drone attacks, the arrival of the ASC-890 sends a clear signal of Sweden's determination to stand shoulder to shoulder with Kyiv. The planes not only add immediate capability to Ukraine's embattled air force but also represent a strategic investment in its future defense. Together with joint defense production plans, the delivery reinforces Ukraine's path toward deeper European integration and long-term security resilience. In a war increasingly defined by technology and endurance, Sweden's ASC-890 contribution may prove to be one of the most consequential moves yet in Ukraine's effort to maintain control of its skies and protect its people from the unrelenting threat of Russian air power.